Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. My name is Samantha and I'm so excited to have you guys here. Today we are going to just be doing a quick Dirty 30 After Dark clean with me. As you can see, I think this is my quickest cleaning video I've ever done. So this is after the kids went to bed one night and I just needed to get the house cleaned and in order, so I decided to just commit 30 minutes to getting it all clean, and we'll see if it was enough time. So this app I'm using is called Forest, and this video is in no way sponsored, but it's called Forest, and you set a timer and you start the timer. And then as the timer ticks down, you grow a tree or a bush, depending on how many minutes you have set. And if you want to use any of your applications, it will pretty much kill your tree. So it's just good to get the temptation of using your phone out of the way while you're cleaning, because you can just have that timer set and then you want to grow a pretty forest. But like I said, the application is called Forest. So we're starting off in the living room, just getting all of the toys and everything cleaned up. And since the kids are already in bed, I am not going to vacuum tonight, but we're just getting it all cleaned up and the floor straightened and back into order. And of course playing with Mia. And I noticed that my computer desk was getting a little cluttered, so I went ahead and straightened that up. I like to have it neat and organized just because I feel like it makes everything go smoother and better. And just sweeping the kitchen and dining room floor, we had already cleaned up for dinner, so the kitchen and dining room are pretty much clean, but I just needed to get the floor swept. And I actually was going to stop here and not worry about our bedroom, but since I had 15 minutes left on the timer, I decided to go ahead and get our bedroom straightened up real fast. And I somehow ended up losing the half of the footage, so I just have barely any of me getting the room straightened up. But as you'll see in the after, I did get it really clean. And that's all we have for today. I hope you guys enjoy it and that you come back around when I upload my next video. I'll see you guys in the next one.